Hello everybody, what is going on? MysticMaxx here, you can call me Mystic. Today, I think, oh wow. What is dangerous? There's nothing outside that would be dangerous. Heat waves. I forgot about those. Yeah. Heat waves, woo. Alright, so today, I will be getting my third Articuno. And I just woke up like half an hour ago. And if it's not an Articuno, it's going to be a Snorlax, either of which is okay, because I don't have Snorlax. But I'd rather have the Articuno, duh. Shiny Articuno is coming out soon, so it's amazing, I want one. So let's just claim this reward. I really want some golden raspberries. Okay, never mind. Mysterious Pokemon has appeared. Okay, start encounter. Articuno, please. Yes. Okay, so let me just move that up here. Ultra Ball. You know what I'm gonna do? Because I know these things cannot. I don't think these can flee. I'm gonna be a savage, and let's see. Nice. Okay, I got an ISO. Imagine. Just imagine. No. Okay. I'm gonna try just two. I'm gonna try one more after this. So this is gonna be the second one. I'm gonna try 3 in total. What? If that face came out right now, you would see my face. What just happened? Oh my god. I critical captured a legendary Pokemon with a Nanite Berry in a Pokéball. Oh my god. Dog. Dude. I'm gonna name this one. I'm naming all of them Mystic if you couldn't know. If you didn't know. But, oh my god. Let's see. Oh! It's wonderful. I don't know what total IVs that is. But, whatever. Dude! Dude, I know I should have pineapple berried that. Damn it. What? In a Pokéball? Damn, that voice crack was just cringy. I know what the thumbnail is gonna be. Not even clickbait. Not even clickbait. And I'm gonna have a critical captured Pokéball saying gotcha, Articuno was caught. Oh my god. What just happened? Okay, let's claim this reward. I don't even know what this is. I forgot. Slowpoke. Alright. Slowpoke is so cute, honestly. It's derpy. That's what I like. But also slow, bro. Yeah. But, oh my god. Wow! Wait. Hang on. I'm gonna do a second one. If I cannot catch this, I just realized I didn't even do a spinny. Good, I caught it. Because I was going to say, if I could not catch a Slowpoke, like how I caught an Articuno, and I caught the Articuno with the Pokeball, I was going to say Slowpoke is a god. Why is it still orange? Special? Oh, nice! Claim reward. Charge, fast, star. Ooh. Okay, 5 candies evolve 20 Pokemon. I already can claim that. Wow. Earn 5 candies. I eventually will. Yes, what do you want? Yes. Dude. My guy. I'm just so hyped that I caught an Articuno and a Pokéball. What was I gonna type again? Oh, evolve. I think that's over 20. Alright, that works. So, anyways, guys, if you enjoyed, remember to crush your like button. What Pokemon was that? Oh, it's a gas. Why do Ghastlies just keep popping out? Oh, they're not here. But yesterday, so many Ghastlies were around. Alright, don't interrupt me. Oh my god, look at my... You dumb butthole. Look in the direction that I'm talking to you. There we go. No! Oh my god. Anyways, frick my life. Anyways, guys, I said frick, by the way. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed, remember to crush your like button. Subscribe if you're not already. Turn on post notifications. Yo. Are you going to be a shiny? I know you. I don't even think you can. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed, crush your like button. Subscribe if you're not already. Turn on post notifications. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. And remember that you can always catch an Articuno in a freaking Pokeball. Alright, see you guys. Peace out.